Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with Margarita and with this ponytail style where I combine a Dutch braid with a pull-through braid. Therefore, I parted her hair over the left eye, and you make a straight parting and then take to the other eye a diagonal parting. The remaining hair from the right hand side you bring into a low ponytail, and then you make a parallel line to the first parting until the end of the crown. This portion of hair that is more or less 1 centimeter wide, you just clip away, and the remaining hair from the left hand side you just bring into another low ponytail. We are going to add now some gel. You know, I like to do it with a toothbrush or a little comb. It's just to avoid flyaways from the edge there where you have the new baby hairs, and to make the part line look neater. Comb it through, and then you can, if it's needed, like I do it here, just take away some more hairs that are not correctly in the parting, and then take a little section from the front, split this one into 3 equal strands. Here you have them, and we're going to start with the right hand strand to bring it under the middle, and then the left hand strand. When we did 3 stitches, we're going to add in hair only from one side. Why? Because we're going to braid exactly over the parting that we did, and the hair incorporates in this case always from the left hand side. So bring under the right strand under the middle, then the left strand, and then add in hair only always from the left hand side. Like this you will continue until you reach until the end of the crown, where will be no more hair to add in from this portion that we prepared. If you have seen other videos from us before, then you know that I need the comb to incorporate the hair to the strands when I add in the hair, because I have short fingernails. But if you have longer nails, or you just leave one nail growing, you can use perfectly that one to bring it in. When the hair strands are a bit thicker like now, then even me can work perfectly without the comb. If you feel that the hair is, for example, like here with Margarita, fresh washed, just add in some hair gel to make sure that it looks neat and that it's not fluffy. One trick to have a cornrow or a tiny Dutch braid neat is to keep your fingertips always close to the scalp. Keep on braiding until there is no more hair to bring in, and then you do some more stitches before you tie it off with a hair elastic. Here you see I added more or less 5 centimeters, 2 inches to the braid before I used the tiny hair elastic to hold this all together. Now we're going to do the pull-through braid. Therefore I do exactly the same parting, like we have the same distance. I always take the eye as my guideline, so is more or less the outer first third from the eye, if you want to say that, if that helps. No, not exactly the middle of the eye, a bit to the outer side. Clip that away, and you see it's a rectangular shape, and all the hair that you do not need that you do not want to be braided or incorporated in that braid that we prepare now, you just bring into a low ponytail. And pull through braid means that we start everything with little ponytails again. Therefore, I'm using tiny elastics. You can use a bit of water to avoid flyaways, or some oil, or nothing if you don't need it. Make sure that you don't let loose the little ponytail, because then it will just get tangled into the hair tie. So it's about 2 fingers wide, more or less 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch every portion. And if you hold the tiny elastic close to the scalp, then it looks neater. So look, you bring it in and then hold it good down close to the part line, so that all the ponytails, all the elastics line up. You can clip away the hair that you do not need. Just again, like I always say, it's easier when the hair you are not working with is out of the way, because it just gets tangled into tiny hair elastics or it's just in the way, and you will have it easier like this. Now for pull through, you split the first ponytail, bring the one right behind through the middle, and you combine the first one with the third one. Therefore, I'm holding again down to the first hair elastic that I had. And now I use some hairspray. Before I make wider the portion of the pull through braid, here you can see it. Just pull gently. Remember, one time everything is pulled out, you cannot bring it back. So if you do it bit by bit, it's easier. Again, split. Bring the one behind through and combine it to the next one. You always leave the one that goes through untouched, and then go to the next one where you attach with another hair elastic the one you split. Now take some hairspray again and pull gently the outer edges. You can pull also the parts that are closer to the ponytail. That will give the whole braid a 3D effect, will make it wider. Split, bring through, pull it through, and then combine to the next one. And it's very easy if you hold the little elastic down so that it attaches with the first ponytail that you brought in, with the first hair tie that you brought in to make a ponytail. Pull gently, and here you see it again. Split, bring through, your model can hold the strand and combine to the next one. If there are no more ponytails, you just tie it off, the ponytail with the hair elastic. And now I clipped away this pull through braid that we did, and I'm taking in a diagonal shape to the middle, right under the ends of the 2 braids, the middle of the head. I'm taking portions of hair. This is just the side hair. And we're going to make a very neat ponytail where the other 2 braids are going to lay over. Here I'm using some spray wax because she really had many flyaways. Smooth everything out and then bring it together. Now clip this to the rest of the hair on the top and bring the last third, more or less, from all her hair together up to the first ponytail that you did with the side hair, and combine everything. Like this, you make sure when you do it in these 2 steps that your ponytail looks neater. Now I'm hiding the hair elastics with a strand of hair by using the topsy tail tool. Therefore, I take a little portion of hair, I use some gel to smooth it out, I wrap it around the hair tie until it's well covered and you can't see it anymore. And then bring it through the topsy tail tool and gently pull at the end of the tool and hide the end of the strand you wrapped around inside of the ponytail. Here I was missing one more portion of hair to cover the hair tie, so I did a little bubble and then pinned the 2 braids that I tied together with another hair elastic just over the ponytail. And this is our final result. You see a tiny Dutch braid that is diagonally crossed in the front and then the pull-through braid that goes straight to the back of the head into the ponytail. I hope you like this style, and if you are new on our channel, I will be happy if you could subscribe. See you back soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.